Hello, YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. Hello, TikTok world. And I got a dual stream going on with YouTube, so hello to both. And just wanted to do a quick episode today with you guys regarding this superstar right here. It is Ditch Dirt, episode number 13 of Modern Aeroponic Gardening with Eric Sue. That's me. Hope you guys are doing great. Full day today here in Chicagoland, and welcome you guys. Hope you guys are doing awesome. I'm gonna talk about this guy right here because something different today for sure. And you guys have been following me and learning more about this system and how I use it. This is a great episode. Today is the day I get to show you my strawberries. That is correct. So strawberries was something that I started in July, and it was my first time doing strawberries on this system. Well, this system I've had for many years. I started growing a system like this since 2012, but never really got into growing strawberries until recently. And this system just recently started budding strawberries. So I want to give you guys a close-up, you guys, and so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me just give you guys a quick look here at what I'm looking at. Okay, actually, let me turn this around. Okay, and let me flip the camera. Let's see if I can do that. Flip the camera. Okay, so you guys can check this out. Right there is a strawberry, okay, coming out of this bush right here. Okay, for the last, I want to say, I don't know, 12 weeks or so, that hasn't happened. Okay, but I'll tell you what I did differently compared to my last few weeks that allowed that to happen. Okay, and the main reason why that is happening, you guys, and for the people on YouTube, I'll show you this, guys, later, but the main reason why that happened was because of this base right here, or the water, I should say, not the base, the water in this base, okay? You guys can see that, the water in here. What happened was I discovered that the pH of that water had to be a specific pH for that to happen, okay? And that pH was 4.5, okay? And isn't that cool that after I changed it about, I don't know, 5 days ago, that happened. And if you saw my previous episodes for the last good 12 weeks, that never happened until I changed the pH. And boom, strawberry right there, you guys. Isn't that cool? That's how strawberries happen. Okay, and you can see some more buds right here. Okay, what's interesting about this strawberry bush, and if you guys didn't know, strawberries, okay, they come off the shoot here. I don't know if you see that right there. It comes right off of this budding leaf. Okay, and that's what's causing that to happen. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay, I thought these little flowers here were the main area where strawberries came from. In reality, it comes off the main stem right there, you guys. Let me give you guys a quick close-up here. You guys see that? Okay. So there's a few more strawberry buds coming out. And that is so cool, isn't it, you guys? You guys are in the chat. Let me know what you guys think. But it's so cool to see that. Okay, and this is strawberry that just started a few days ago because I changed the pH in the water. Okay, and this whole system, this is more strawberries up here.
That is
It's awesome. Cool, right? And so there's going to be more up in here.
Already.
And a little bit more here.
That is spring already. In
that's right. See my
flowers.
Okay. Yep, that's right. That's right. What do you think about it?
That's because I'm the smartest.
Yeah, you are. Okay. Thanks for helping me. Okay, so That is so cool, you guys. This is your first strawberry. You guys are witnessing it right now. Okay. And so over the next few weeks, hopefully that'll bud out into a red strawberry. Okay. And the type of strawberry here is the Aspen. Aspen variety. Okay. So there you go, you guys. Pretty cool, right? Let me know if you guys have ever grown strawberries before on your own, maybe outdoors, but that is how it works. Okay. All right, I'm back. Anyhow, if anyone's on this stream right now and wondering if they get something like this, they certainly can. All you have to do is go into the link on my profile, on my link tree, and you can click on that to go to the link that says Aeroponic Gardening. You'll see all the information about this guy, and this guy right here is called the Flex System. Right now they have a great sale that you guys could save. I'm just put it up here. Save $50 using this code GATHER50. You guys could save $50 on a system like this. Okay. Wow, what a great deal. Okay, saving $50 off a system like this. And the main thing here is like, this is the Flex system right here. And this is $670. It's only $670 for this system right here. With the lights, you guys could get it for $13.85. What is savings for $50 if you guys get it right now? And it ends November 26th. Okay, November 26th is when that sale ends. Discount code GATHER50. Okay, that's what you will use to get that discount. Now, many reasons to get something like this. Okay, one of the main reasons is for sure fresh vegetables. Okay, a lot of the food out there you probably already know is sprayed with pesticides. Who wants to eat pesticides? Okay, not organic, most of that stuff. Okay, and so that is the big thing. Okay, so pesticide free, organic if you don't spray it. Okay, and this is something that you guys will use every, I don't know, season, because this is a year-round growing system. Okay, look at this, strawberries I'm growing. I've got a lot of lettuce and bok choy growing, and grow more seedlings like these guys right here. Okay, these are seeds. Okay, this is more strawberry right here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, more strawberry. Okay, and so the main thing here is that this system will produce for you every season. Okay, as long as you maintain it, which I mentioned before in the past or a podcast, that this system is pretty easy to maintain. Okay, as long as you are, making sure it's got the right pH water level, not too much nutrients, so that it produces too much calcium and such. Everything will work smoothly, and it'll grow as much as you maintain it. I mean, I got strawberries growing, you guys. It's super exciting. I was, thinking like, why is it not growing? And I'll admit that I thought it would use the same pH, but it's not. As similar to the other plants, most plants use a pH of about 5. And so I was like, what is the reason? It had to be nutrients or something, right? And so I looked it up, and the nutrients was definitely the issue, the pH level. So once I changed that, it was back Tuesday, I think, okay? And within 5 days, it started budding, okay? And I got some other buds in the back. I could turn it around, you could see. So I'm really excited about that and looking forward to even more growth. But anyhow, it will grow what you want it to grow for sure, okay? And super excited about that. Now, my family is a family of 4. We eat off this almost every day. Definitely the bok choy was what we wanted to grow this season, and we got definitely a lot of that. Last episode in 12, I was showing you how I harvested and how much I produced in that harvest, and I even got more to harvest here. So that's really cool. Remember, you can go into my profile and go into the link tree to click on the link called Aeroponic Gardening to go to the website that shares with you all this system. This one is the Flex system, and right now all systems you can grab 50. Use this code gather 50, and you can save $50 on any Tower Garden unit. This is going to end November 26th. Okay, so that is the thing to remember. And the systems, if you're wondering, just so you can save some time, but definitely no, 670 is this Flex system, but with the lights, it's 1385. Okay, 1385. Now, you get everything that you would need to get something like this started. So that is a well worth investment. The nutrients, the rock wool, the seeds, the pump, and then the lights. If you get this system here, the lights and the tomato cage. Okay. And then if you wanted to, I didn't mention to you, but the smaller system is the home unit. Most of these home units, you probably won't want to put them outdoors. Okay, the home unit starts at $725, and then the options to get the lights with the home unit is $805. So it still saves $50. But the holidays are coming up, you guys, and what a great gift for someone who you know would love to start growing their own fresh fruits and vegetables indoors. Now, if you're thinking of whether or not a green thumb type of person is the perfect type of person for this, actually, they may have an easier time because they are into gardening, but this is a different concept. So anybody, even a black thumb person, can even grow something like this, you guys. So I encourage you to check it out. But I'm so excited to share with you guys this system because, yes, I'm growing strawberries, and you can too. Let's all get systems and start growing strawberries, right? Recently I have to say that there was a E. coli breakout with McDonald's, right? Well, you never know what's in the food supply. So you growing your own fresh foods takes control back to you, and now you're growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables. If there's one best way, actually, I have to mention this, to start eating fresh slash healthier is to grow your own food. And this is a great system to do that. I'm just going to say that I've been using this since 2012 and fresh food myself and my family since then. It's great. I don't have to worry about going to groceries, buying food, especially vegetable like this. This is kale grown, this chard I've grown. The whole list, you guys. Herbs and such. There's a whole list. I list them right here, right? There's a whole list, right? But growing all that stuff with okay. I know you guys a lot on TikTok joining me. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is exciting. I got strawberries growing. You got strawberries, okay? It took a little while for me to figure out what was going on, but definitely in the future, once I figure out the pH and everything, all that good, I'm going to be growing strawberries, and you guys will be growing the strawberries. So I just really want to throw it out there, you guys. This is very possible. You don't have to be a green thumb. You can definitely be a black thumb, purple thumb, whatever it is, white thumb, brown thumb, whatever. And you can grow fruits and vegetables for sure. Tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, you name it, tomatoes, all types of tomatoes, cherry tomatoes and such. So isn't this exciting, you guys? I think it is, okay? If I turn this around a little bit, you can see a little bit more of my growth here. All of this stuff is strawberries, and I'm just looking forward to all the strawberries to start flowering and growing. You can see my bok choy down in here. This is overgrowth of salad, lettuce, but still, hey, how exciting is it, you guys? So excited for you to see this, that I'm growing strawberries. And you can too, right? Strawberries for you, strawberries for me, strawberries for everyone. All right, let me know in the comments if you have, or in the comments if you have any questions. If there's one thing that I just wanted to make sure you guys are aware of is like, this is a system that we can use year round. Year round basically means year round. I'll be transplanting more seeds in once all of these plants have finished to their maturity. And so as long as I have the seedlings, as long as I have plan ahead, if you will, so on, this is going to be the system to use. So easy. 20 spots on this one. On the home unit, the smaller one is 36 grow spots. You got 16 regular spots, and then on top you got a micro, chives and basil and all these microgreens, really healthy for you. I think you can grow that as well. Can they grow taller? You can add more to the system. I can go a little bit more, 2 more units. So that would be 28. And 4 is 28. That's 20 here. So you can make it as tall as you want. It doesn't take a lot of time in terms of me trying to grow this, by the way. I see it every day and notice it growing and such. It's really great to see. My kids love it. They are into it as well. And so I think that, one that wants to start a new healthy lifestyle, if you can say that, next year, start now. This is a great thing for people who don't like gardening outdoors, or maybe don't even have an outdoor area to grow. So consider, okay, you guys? Okay. So the next episode, I'm hoping, episode number 14, hoping that this is going to be even more, okay, even more strawberries to show. They're going to harvest these strawberries, okay? But I just want to make sure we give you an update what's going on, and I'll let you know that if you go to my profile and click on the link tree, you'll get a page that talks about these guys and where you guys can get them. All right, for everyone who's watching, this is going to be the Flex system, and there's the Home system, okay? The Flex system, all right, Flex system is going to be this, the larger one, and the Home system is going to be a smaller one. And if you want to go all out, you can go get the 1385, the Home system, the Flex system that has everything that you would need: the tower, the lights, and the cage. And then the Home also has the light system here, okay? No lights on that one. But it's 805. Save $50 right now, you guys. If you guys click on my link tree in my bio and go to the Aeroponics link there, go on and you can save $50 when you check out. Use code GATHERED50. It ends November 26th at 11:59 p.m. Guys, this is the time to do it, you guys, because New Year's coming up. We all want to eat healthier. We all want to be healthier for the New Year's, and there's what not better than to have a system like this growing for you year-round as well. Saving water, because it has a base down here that pumps water up into the top and sprinkles down, watering your plants. The lights right here are awesome, so that it simulates the sunlight so that it can produce or it can help the plants grow, photosynthesis. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you guys are watching the replay, just let me know, and I'll definitely get back to you. But this system is a system that works. One more time, I'm going to show you guys real quick here the flowering strawberry right here, you guys. Okay, and this is a whole flower bunch, and I got some more flower up in here. Okay, for you guys, for me to work with. But I'm looking forward to all of the strawberries, you guys, and you guys can too. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, you guys. Really appreciate you guys tuning in and checking this out with me today. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing awesome up there in the YouTube world as well. Hope you guys are going to enjoy this week. I know that I can't wait until next week to share with you guys the growth update of my strawberries. And hope you guys are doing great, like I said. All right, you guys.